Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I have songs for you that can be interpreted in a couple of ways. Either as an intense expression of deep love and commitment, or as someone who is a complete wimp and has no sense of self or self-worth or self-respect. You guys decide. The first song is from a movie called Khandan. It had Nutan ji, Sunil Dutt in the lead, and then Mumtaz and Sudesh Kumar in parallel leads kind of a role. They have a slightly negative kind of shade and all that. It's a family conflict kind of drama. Pran Saab playing this amazing villain who sort of brings more conflict and trouble to the family. It was very entertaining. The movie was great. I enjoyed it a lot. Beautiful music by Ravi Saab, and Rajendra Krishan, he wrote the lyrics. So the songs are beautiful, the dialogues are beautiful. It's a good movie. This song that I want to share with you, it is a Lata ji solo, sung exquisitely by her, by the way. It's a beautiful song, beautiful tune. And as I said before, the words are up for interpretation depending on what you guys think. It's a wedding night kind of a situation. Sunil Dutt plays this man who is a very rural kind of a person who sacrificed a lot in his life so that his younger brother can study, etc., etc. And in all of this, he also has one hand that's paralyzed. But Nutan is very much in love with him and they get married. But he has the sense of guilt that he is going to be a burden on his wife. So she sings this song to him. You tell me what you think. So from Khandan, Tum hi meri mandir, tum hi meri puja, tum hi devta ho. The next two songs that I want to share are both from the same movie, Anpad. Mala Sinha is the lead. She is the whole movie, essentially. Dharmendra plays her husband in this very minor and blink and you'll miss him kind of role. The movie is the story of a girl who is a very spoiled and very much beloved sister of a very, very loving and indulgent brother played by Balraj Sahani. She somehow cajoles him into dropping out of school because, the teacher is strict with her and she's just upset about it, and he is like, my sister is so wonderful, I cannot subject her to any kind of abuse. So she ends up becoming completely illiterate. Now, when she's of the age where she's to be married, they find this young man who is a professor. He comes from a very well-read family, though when you see the way they behave, you can't imagine that this man is educated, but that's a different story. So they lie to him saying she is educated and she can read. She's found out on their wedding night itself, and he and his family treat her incredibly badly because they feel like, here is this incredibly well-read young man and he is married to a girl who cannot even read and write. So they treat her like, the worst kind of slave. She, of course, in typical Bharatiya Nari style, is welcoming all the abuse, and she will remain true and love him regardless of all the abuses that is being heaped on her head. I have a lot of problem with this kind of attitude, but I guess you've got to look at it from the lens of 1960s India, whatever. This song in particular, I really, really hate because it is so much of putting down of the self in this song. It makes no sense to me. I mean, it wouldn't make sense to any self-respecting human being, frankly. Lataji sung it beautifully. Madan Mohan's incredible tuning with Raja Mehdi Ali Khan's lyrics, all very well done. The songs in the movie are outstanding, but this song I have a lot of problems with. I don't know what you guys think, let me know. From Unpad, Hai isi mein pyar ki aabru.
Hai isi mein pyar ki aabru, wo jafa kare main wafa karu, jo wafa bhi kaam na saki, to wahi kahe ke main kya karu, hai isi mein pyar ki aabru. मुझे गम भी उनका अजीज है कि उन्हीं की दी हुई चीज है, मुझे गम भी उनका अजीज है कि उन्हीं की दी हुई चीज है, कि उन्हीं की दी हुई चीज है। यही गम है अब मेरी जिंदगी, इसे कैसे दिल से जुदा करूं, है इसी में प्यार किया।
The second song from Unpad. So this happens when the husband now has a change of heart. So he discovers his wife is having someone write letters for her to her brother, right? And he discovers that this woman is so selfless and wonderful that she's not complained at all about the terrible treatment that she's getting in this house. And she says everybody is wonderful to her and so on and so forth. It's just, anyway. So he then starts treating her like she's a good human being. And he tries to teach her to read and write. She is a very reluctant and unwilling pupil in all of this. And he is in this scene before the song, he is reciting poetry to her. So she ends up singing it back to him. Again, incredibly beautiful lyrics. I do love this song, honestly. It's such a famous song. Everybody loves it. I still have problems with the lyrics. आपकी नज़रों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे. I mean, you're already putting yourself in this position of, I'm a lesser human being. I mean, I'm so honored that you have considered me worthy of your love. I guess you can interpret it as being very, very romantic, but I still have problems with it. So from Unpad, आपकी नज़रों ने समझा. Next we have Archana. This was Mala Sinha with Sanjeev Kumar. Came out in 1973, 74, something like that. The story is of this man who is very much in love with this woman. They have a child. She dies in childbirth. He's so upset about this, he sends this child to live with someone else. Then a short while later, he meets another woman, falls in love with her, marries her, and now decides to bring the child back to live with them. And then there's this whole drama, what happens with the stepmother, la 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 la, all of that. Music was Shankar Jaikishan. Well, I guess it's essentially Shankar, but he continued to use the Shankar Jaikishan label because Jaikishan had passed away already in 71. Lyrics, Hasrat Jaipuri, Indivar ji and Neeraj. Neeraj Saab wrote this particular song. Again, it's one of those, I will deify you, you are God, I'm just this lowly animal and you have basically honored me by keeping me in your life kind of song. It's a Lataji solo. From Archana, Tan Man Tere Rang Rangungi.
तन मन तेरे रंग रंगूंगी छाया बनकर संग चलूंगी सेवा करूंगी अंग लगूंगी अर्चना में तेरी साधना तन मन तेरे रंग रंगूंगी छाया बनकर संग चलूंगी सेवा करूंगी अंग लगूंगी अर्चना में तेरी साधना तन मन तेरे रंग रंगूंगी जन्म जन्म तेरे बिना मेरा नहीं सोए जन्म जन्म तेरे बिना मेरा नहीं सोए घड़ी घड़ी सपने तेरे पलकों में पिरोए तू है मेरे जीवन की साधना तन मन तेरे रंग रंगूंगी छाया बनकर संग चलूंगी सेवा करूंगी
Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki. It's a Raj Khosla movie. Really well-made movie. Raj Khosla was a phenomenal director. I loved his movies. This is a very good movie to watch. You have Asha Parekh, you have Vijay Anand, Nutan, Vinod Khanna, Neeta Mehta, Deb Mukherjee. I mean, my God, crazy cast, right? And music, Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshi. Excellent music as well. The songs are great in the movie. The title track, that's what I have a problem with. It's a very servile song. I find very much of a, I am just a tuch prani kind of song. But Anand Bakshi has actually written the correct lyrics. You know, that's who this woman is who's singing it. She really truly does think that she is scum of the earth kind of a thing. So he's written absolutely appropriate lyrics, but somehow that whole concept gives me a problem. So it doesn't rank among my favorites, even though I admire the way Anand Bakshi ji has written the lyrics and the tune that's been composed, and Lata ji has sung it beautifully. So from Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki, Main Tulsi Tere Aangan Ki.
मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं तेरे साजन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं तेरे साजन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी। द्वार पड़े तरस गई, आज उमड़ कर बरस गई, द्वार पड़े तरस गई, आज उमड़ कर बरस गई, प्यासी बदली सावन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी।
Earth. This came out in 1982. Shabana Azmi, Kulbhushan Kharbanda, Smita Patil, Rohini Hattangadi. Amazing cast, amazing movie, very well made. Mahesh Bhatt did a phenomenal job with the movie. Music, excellent. Jagjit Singh had Kaifi Azmi, it had Rajendranath Rehbar, it had Iftikhar Imam Siddiqui. All of these people writing lyrics. This one was by Iftikhar Saab. And it's the only female song in the entire movie. Chitra Singh has sung the song. Sadly, it wasn't included in the movie. But the lyrics, even though it's beautifully composed, written, and sung, it's still one of those kind of defeatist, I have no life without you kind of a song, which again, the situation in the movie, this woman, played by Shabana Azmi, the wife, she's an orphan and she has this kind of, always has a sense of, I've been abandoned and now I'm able to build a life because this man has married me, kind of a feeling about her, until she realizes that she is complete within herself and she can stand on her own 2 feet. So, in that sense, it's actually an appropriately written song, but I like it, but I'm still bothered by it. So, from Arth, in Chitra Singh's voice, तू नहीं तो जिंदगी में और क्या रह जाएगा.
तू नहीं तो जिंदगी में और क्या रह जाएगा. तू नहीं तो जिंदगी में और क्या रह जाएगा. तू नहीं तो दूर तक तन्हाइयों का, दूर तक तन्हाइयों का सिलसिला रह जाएगा. तू नहीं तो दर्द की सारी तहीं और सारे गुजरे हाथ से. दर्द की सारी तहीं और सारे गुजरे हाथ से. सब धुआं हो जाएंगे, एक वाक़या रह जाएगा. तू नहीं तो जिंदगी में और क्या रह जाएगा. तू नहीं तो
Safar, Rajesh Khanna, Sharmila Tagore, Feroz Khan. Another of those movies, I mean, it was a super hit, but it was one of those movies with the whole I will sacrifice our love so that you will not be widowed kind of movies. Never could understand the logic of this, because that woman is an independent woman who is a doctor practicing medicine. I mean, this woman is not some weakling. So, why don't you give her the choice of how she wants her life to play out? But no, of course not. Anyway, I mean, if you watch the movie, you know that it doesn't turn out that great despite the sacrificing happening. This song is sung by Feroz Khan. He is now madly in love with Sharmila Tagore and he's married to her, and he's singing this song where he's basically telling her, whatever you say is it. That is the truth. तुम दिन को अगर रात कहो, रात कहेंगे. If you can say black is white, I'll agree. You can say day is night, I will agree. Whatever you say, I'll agree to it. Too much of a doormatish kind of song. Music, Kalyanji Anandji with Indi Varji writing the lyrics. Beautiful music. Actually, the songs were great in the movie. But this song, I have a lot of problems with. It's a Mukesh ji solo from Safar. जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात करेंगे.
जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात कहेंगे. जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात कहेंगे. तुम दिन को अगर रात कहो, रात कहेंगे. जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात कहेंगे. जाते हम सभी के।
क्या मैं इस काबिल हूँ?
दे देना आप साथ तो मर जाते हम सभी के। पूरे हुए हैं आपसे अरमान जिंदगी के। हम जिंदगी को आपकी, हम जिंदगी को आपकी, हम जिंदगी को आपकी सौगात कहेंगे।
I leave you with a truly fabulous song. This actually, I really like it. It's a beautiful song. There is a little bit of the, I am drowning myself in you kind of a song. And yet, of all of these songs today, this has to be, I think, my favorite. It's a lovely song. Shankar Jaikishan's music with Shailendra Ji, Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics. Hasrat Ji has written this one. Movie is Dilek Mandir. Meena Kumari, Rajkumar, Rajendra Kumar. It was a remake of a Tamil movie called Nenjaloru Alayam, which had Shivaji Ganeshan in the lead. Again, a lot of the, people sacrificing stuff for other people, and life goes on. So the wife now is singing this to her husband. He is about to undergo like a major surgery that hopefully will save his life, but has a lot of risks, so he may die in the process. That kind of a situation. And it is incredibly sweet. The lyrics are just so sweet. And Lata ji, oh, what a beautifully sung by her, just exquisite. So from Dilek Mandir, हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे।
हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे हैं, खो बैठे। तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ, हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे हैं, खो बैठे। तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ, हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम। पंछी से छुड़ा कर उसका घर तुम अपने घर पर ले आए। ये प्यार का पिंजरा मन भाया, हम जी भर भर कर मुस्काए। जब प्यार हुआ इस पिंजरे से, तुम कहने लगे आजाद रहो। हम कैसे भुलाए प्यार तेरा, तुम अपनी जुबां से ये न कहो। अब तुम सा जहां में कोई नहीं है, हम तो तुम्हारे हो बैठे। तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ, हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम।
That's it for today, folks. Tell me what you think about the whole deifying the beloved kind of songs, and whether you agree with me or disagree with me, or what you think, what your opinion is about all these songs. And if you have other songs that you think fit in this category, let me know. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.